DNA ligases. So as we have discussed in the last class, there are two types of DNA ligase. One is bacterial DNA ligase, another second one is T4 polynucleotide DNA ligase. Okay, so we have, as we have seen here only, so bacterial DNA ligase means, it's very simple, the source of ligase is bacteria. So bacteria is the source of bacterial DNA ligase. And another important thing is bacterial DNA ligase uses NADP as cofactor. NADP as cofactor to get the phosphodiester bond done. So it will take up the AMP from the NADP, as we have discussed in the mechanism last class. So for the addition of phosphodiester bond, it will take up the help of AMP. So AMP will be either donated by NADP or by the ATP. In case of the bacterial DNA ligase, so NADP is the cofactor. Okay, whereas in T4 DNA ligase, so as the name itself indicate, the source of DNA ligase over here is the T4 bacteriophage. So bacteriophage is nothing but the virus that infects the bacteria. So here in the T4 DNA ligase, the source of the T4 DNA ligase is a T4 bacteriophage. Bacteriophage is nothing but virus that infects the bacteria. Here this particular ligase will uses the ATP as cofactor. Okay, this is regarding the types of DNA ligase. There are two types of DNA ligase, bacterial DNA ligase and T4 polynucleotide DNA ligase or T4 DNA ligase. Directly it is also known as the T4 DNA ligase. T4 DNA ligase or bacterial DNA ligase. Bacterial DNA ligase is isolated from the bacteria. So the source of the bacterial DNA ligase is bacteria and it uses the NADP as the cofactor. Whereas T4 DNA ligase, the source of the T4 DNA ligase is T4 DNA bacteriophage and it uses ATP as cofactor. Okay. Now coming to the applications of DNA ligase. So first thing, as we have discussed earlier, the major application is to join the, so major application is joining the double-stranded DNA with cohesive or blunt terminal end. Okay, and then so what does it do is, again it will join the linkers, oligonucleotide linkers or adapters to blunt end DNA. Okay, and then another important application is repairing the nicks. Nick means gap. Repairing the nicks in duplex DNA. Duplex DNA means double-stranded DNA. Duplex DNA, RNA or DNA RNA hybrids or RNA DNA hybrids. Okay, and there is one more specific technique known as LCR, ligase chain reaction. So this is one of the most important technique in genetic engineering. In ligase chain reaction, ligase enzyme will be used and it is also used in the detection of RNA. Ligase mediated RNA detection. And another important application is it is used in site directed mutagenesis. These are the major applications of DNA ligases.